As we age, maintaining independence and staying mobile becomes increasingly important. For many seniors, a mobility scooter can be a life-changing solution, providing the freedom to move around safely and comfortably, both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're running errands, visiting friends, or enjoying the outdoors, the right mobility scooter can help seniors maintain an active and fulfilling lifestyle. In this guide, we'll explore the best mobility scooters for seniors based on comfort, portability, battery life, and safety features. We'll also break down what to look for when choosing the right model for your unique needs. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best mobility scooters for seniors you can buy in 2026. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. EV Rider Transport AF Plus. The EV Rider Transport AF Plus stands out as one of the best folding and ultra-portable mobility scooters on the market, designed for users who need effortless transportation, compact storage, and dependable performance. With its fully automatic folding mechanism, the scooter collapses or opens with a simple button press, making it ideal for seniors, frequent travelers, and anyone who wants a zero-hassle setup. Despite weighing only around 50 pounds, the Transport AF Plus supports an impressive 300 pounds weight capacity, offering stability and durability that outperforms many scooters in its class. It delivers a practical 10 to 15 mile travel range, allowing comfortable daily use for errands, appointments, or navigating airports and shopping centers. The scooter's compact form fits seamlessly into car trunks and is approved for air travel, giving users full mobility freedom wherever they go. The Transport AF Plus also features a comfortable seat, intuitive controls, and a smooth, reliable ride, even on moderately uneven surfaces. Its lightweight lithium battery charges quickly and provides consistent performance throughout the day. Designed for convenience, portability, and everyday comfort, the EV Rider Transport AF Plus is perfect for users who prioritize mobility without sacrificing ease of use. Priced between $2,000 and $2,800, it offers strong value considering the automatic fold system, durable build quality, and proven reliability. Whether you're a traveler who needs a dependable scooter for airports and vacations, or someone who wants a compact, easy-to-handle mobility solution for daily life, the EV Rider Transport AF Plus remains a top pick in the ultra-portable category, combining performance, practicality, and premium convenience in one compact package. Pride GoGo Ultra X. The Pride GoGo Ultra X stands out as the best value compact mobility scooter for budget-conscious seniors who want reliable performance without paying for extras they don't need. It's available in both 3- and 4-wheel configurations to suit different stability and turning preferences, supports a generous user weight range of about 260 to 300 pounds, and offers a practical top speed and range appropriate for short trips and everyday errands. Designed with simple disassembly in mind, the Ultra X breaks down easily into manageable pieces for storage and car transport, and it includes helpful everyday features such as a front basket for shopping or personal items and intuitive controls that aren't overwhelming. At an accessible price point of roughly $800 to $1,200, it hits a sweet spot between economy and quality, making it an excellent option for those who need dependable mobility on a modest budget. While not a heavy-duty or long-range travel scooter, it delivers comfortable seating, responsive braking, and a compact footprint that fits in tighter spaces and small homes. Maintenance tends to be straightforward thanks to its uncomplicated design, replacement parts are commonly available, and the scooter's practicality means buyers often find it easier to use and maintain than more feature-dense models. Owners frequently praise its easy setup and predictable handling, and many caregivers appreciate that the low step-over and clear controls reduce daily hassles. Overall, it's a pragmatic pick for straightforward mobility needs. Good value, dependable, highly recommended. Pride Baja Wrangler 2. The Pride Baja Wrangler 2 stands out as one of the most powerful and adventure-ready mobility scooters available today, built specifically for riders who demand strength, durability, and unmatched off-road capability. With an impressive weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, this rugged machine is designed to accommodate larger riders while still delivering smooth, dependable performance. Whether you're exploring rough terrain, gravel paths, grassy fields, farms, uneven construction areas, or outdoor parks, the Wrangler 2's true all-terrain tires, full suspension system, and heavy-duty frame allow it to handle bumps, dips, and challenging surfaces with confidence. Its large motor configuration and efficient drivetrain help the scooter reach 20+ miles of range, while the ergonomic seating and high-visibility lighting system make it suitable for both daytime and low-light outdoor use. One of the most appealing factors is its combination of power and comfort. You get a commanding design that looks like an outdoor vehicle while still enjoying a stable, cushioned ride perfect for longer outdoor adventures. The pricing typically falls between $3,000 and $5,000, making it a premium choice, but one that delivers true value for those who need reliability beyond what standard mobility scooters offer. If your lifestyle includes ranch work, daily outdoor travel, neighborhood rides over imperfect surfaces, or off-road recreational use, the Pride Baja Wrangler 2 is engineered to take you farther with confidence. It is simply one of the most dependable, go-anywhere, outdoor mobility scooters available today, making it an ideal choice for anyone who wants adventure without sacrificing comfort or safety. Afikim Afiscooter S/C. The Afikim Afiscooter S/C stands out as one of the best long-range, heavy-duty mobility scooters designed for users who demand power, comfort, and outdoor capability. Built to support 450 to 500 pounds, it delivers exceptional stability thanks to its robust engineering and wide, reinforced frame. With an impressive 25 to 30-mile travel range on a single charge, it's ideal for extended outdoor use, whether navigating large parks, neighborhood streets, or long daily commutes. The Afiscooter's ride comfort is one of its biggest strengths, featuring a luxury captain's seat, adjustable armrests, and excellent shock absorption that smooths out bumps, uneven terrain, and rough pathways. Its high ground clearance makes it capable of handling curbs, gravel, grass, and off-road conditions better than most standard mobility scooters. Available in both single and dual-seat configurations, S and C models, it allows users to choose a setup that best fits their independence, comfort, or companionship needs. Designed with safety and practicality in mind, it includes strong front and rear lighting, wide tires for stability, intuitive controls, and a high-visibility display for easy operation. The Afiscooter S/C is also known for its durable build quality, long battery life, and weather-resistant design, making it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts or individuals who need dependable performance throughout the day. With a typical price range of $3,500 to $6,000, it is considered a premium option, but one that justifies its cost through superior comfort, range, and rugged durability. For riders who prioritize long-distance travel, maximum support, and a smooth, secure ride across various surfaces, the Afikim Afiscooter S/C remains one of the most capable heavy-duty mobility scooters available in its class. Vive Health 4-Wheel. The Vive Health 4-Wheel mobility scooter is an exceptionally budget-friendly and practical option, designed to provide users with greater independence and ease in their daily mobility. Equipped with 4 flat-free tires, this scooter ensures smooth rides over even surfaces and small inclines of up to 6 degrees, while maintaining stability and control. The comfortable swivel seat, along with a contoured backrest, offers excellent support, and the seat height can be easily adjusted. Padded armrests provide additional comfort, making it convenient for users to sit or stand with minimal effort. One of the standout features of this scooter is its quick disassembly design. The scooter can be broken down into 4 lightweight pieces, making it simple to transport in car trunks or store in limited spaces, perfect for those who travel frequently or have small storage areas. The power system features 2 12-hour batteries that are removable, allowing for off-board charging, and the intuitive speed dial on the tiller provides smooth control over the maximum speed. All controls are conveniently located on the tiller for easy access. Additional practical features include a removable front basket for personal items, groceries, or small packages, as well as a bright LED headlight and horn for safety in low-light conditions. The scooter weighs approximately 88 pounds and can support a maximum weight of 265 pounds, accommodating most adult users comfortably. Priced between $700 and $1,200, the Vive Health 4-Wheel mobility scooter offers excellent value for money, combining portability, ease of use, and reliable performance. Its design is ideal for everyday use, short trips, and travel, making it a highly appealing choice for seniors, individuals with limited mobility, or anyone seeking an accessible and dependable scooter. Overall, this scooter balances affordability with functionality, ensuring users can enjoy safe and convenient mobility with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.